Hello eBayers, I bring to you a Nakajima AE-710 made in the USA electronic office typewriter. It was made for Canada or the USA. English is the font, although I think you can get Spanish print wheels for it, but mainly is English. Here's the operation manual, which has all of the information on introduction, packing, setting up, typing functions, how to change out the accessories, ribbon, correction tape, print wheel. The print wheel replacements or font changes, the correction tape, and the ribbon cassettes are all available online. How to maintain it. It's nice, it has all the functions and where everything is, all the names. Has what each key and function does, how to program it, how to set it up. So pretty nice to have the manual all set up. Today is Thursday, July 21st. It's 8:40 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. We're in Arizona. So we can turn this on. Pull up the paper stand. Done some typing on here. The bold that you see on here is where you can set it to bold and it'll double, triple strike the letters. Let me stick it in here and let's load it up. Against the platen, it's very clean. The whole inside of the unit's extremely clean. The slide bar's all been lubricated, in great shape. This unit runs quiet. These little spacer wheels are all set here. So let's turn it a couple times. I could type faster, but for this video I'll type it a little slower. So the quick, brown, fox, jumped over the lazy dog. So hopefully you can see that. Like I said, the print cartridges, the ribbon cartridge, and the print wheel, which is here, which easily just slides out and you put it back in. It's got a little pin that holds it. Pretty easy to replace or update or change the fonts. The keyboard has lots of functions. Has how hard the impression hits, the spacing of it, the size of it, of each the fonts. You can code it to do things automatically. You can automatic margins left, right. You can have it, you know, move out of the way. It's just a whole number of things that'll let you do. So anyway, this is a really nice typewriter. Typewriters are making a comeback, mostly because of digital footprint. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.